Hi everyone, are you wondering how you can take to the next level the quality of your presentation? You are on the right video. I'll show you how you can use a brand new feature available in PowerPoint Online called Presenter Coach. Presenter Coach gives you guidance how you can improve the quality of your presentation by providing extra guidance, for example, telling you if you have an eye contact with your audience, or if you are using too many filler words or profanity words, or if your content is original and you are not reusing always the same words. So this is very cool. It evaluates also the pacing, so if your speech is too fast or too slow. Okay, let's jump on my PC and I'll show you how you can use this cool feature. Here I am in Microsoft Teams and I have here a PowerPoint presentation that is perfect to show you how it works, Presenter Coach. Let me select this presentation, then here in the command bar I'm going to select this drop down and then open in browser. This opens a new tab in the browser with my PowerPoint presentation. And here I have this PowerPoint presentation now in the browser open. Let me jump to this specific slide. Now, in order to raise the Presenter Coach, I have to click on the slideshow pivot, and here there is this capability, Rehearse with Coach. Now, if I click on this one, I have the possibility to turn on the option body language if I want. Okay, I'll do this and then I will click again on the button in order to start this presentation to this specific slide, and I will start now to speak so my presenter coach can give me advices. So here I have in this panel the ability to start rehearsing. Let me click on it. And now, as you can see, hello, I am on the camera. I can start to speak around this presentation, but if I move around here, I have the first advice that tell me to keep my eyes on the audience, and this is very important. But I can even try to move to change the distance, and immediately I have this suggestion to keep the right distance from the camera. Now, let me move my hand in front of my face, for example, and here we go, I have another advice. Okay, now let me pause this session with the presenter coach because I will turn off my camera. Now let me start to resume again my session. Here I am presenting with PowerPoint. And here we go. I'm now using a fillers word, and so I have another advice: try speaking a little bit faster because I was too slow and I was using filler words, like for example, and these are the things that unfortunately brings down your presentation. Now let me just use other words. For example, hey guys, what do you think about this presentation? I love you guys hear your voice and the feedback about this. And here we go, inclusiveness. This is not really the proper word to use. It's not inclusive. Now we explore these capabilities and this possibility. I use it again. Now let me go a little bit faster. Let's talk about tabs, surface-rich content within Teams, adaptive cards. Adaptive cards are platform-agnostic snippets of UI. Bots help user get tasks done. So now I'm reusing, even if I was too fast, I was reusing the same words. Basically, this is how the presenter coach can tell you if you are using, basically, you see, this is another filler word, and probably, or basically, this is a word that I can reuse many times, and basically this is a very unimportant session, and so basically give me the feedback, please. Now at the end of this presentation, you will see in the summary of my presenter coach that I will have the advice that I used too much time this word, basically. Let's try to read the text. Make it easier to multitask with messaging extensions. You can quickly share external information in a conversation. You also can act And you see, you get immediately this other advice. Try not to read. Okay, so we explored, I think, all possibility and all things that you have to avoid during the presentation. Now I would say that it's time to see the summary of my presenter coach. And so now I will stop presentation. And here we go. Now I have this summary. This is your rehearsal report. Now we have several sections in this report. We have summary, good job rehearsing, keep up the hard work, total time spent, rehearsed 7 slides. So I used 124 words per minute, and this is a good balance because you have to stay between 100 and 150. Otherwise you are too fast or too slow. Then moving below, we have your average pace over time, and as you can see, I was going in the right range. Filler words, I used too much time, and then basically as well pitch. This was not very good. We have here, I was not in the target, I was monotone. Try to bring more emphasis in during your presentation. It's very important. And now we have here the body language section that tell me that I have to stay much more closer to the camera. I don't have the clear view in this case, obstructed view. I have here the picture that was good, and the distance also here I was too far, and that was good. The pronunciation was also good, apparently, even if the English is not my native language, seems like that was good enough. Then repetitive language was nice work. I read here nice work, but I repeated too much time basically, so probably this is not very accurate. But then here we have another section that tell me that my phrases was not inclusive. In fact, I used you guys instead of you in this case, and this is also not very good. Finally, in the last section, we can see originality. Here we have another advice. Try to avoid simple reading the slide. Here are the slides you may want to work on. So, and here I have the example on the slide 9 and 13, where I have more text, and these are the slides that I have to be aware, particularly for these slides when I have many text, to avoid to read, because it's not good for the quality of my speech. So that's it. This is how it works, Presenter Coach. It's a very cool feature that helps you to bring forward and to the next level your presentation. You can train yourself when you have an important presentation to deliver with Presenter Coach. Okay, we have seen Presenter Coach in PowerPoint Online. If you enjoyed, give a like, subscribe and comment to see more videos like this one. I hope to see you next time. Bye.